Omuhururu eyokurwanisa akakooko ka siriimu kuwaho omwihanga gwaza kuba omwaka gw'2023 Gavumenti yahiga okukwatiraho abarikucondooza omu by'akakooko ka siriimu. Omukukingaho ekiganiiro kya National HIV and AIDS Symposium ekimazire ebiro bishatu ahari Mbarara University, Minisita w'enshonga z'obwa President Babirye Mili Babalanda yayanjura enteekateeka za Gavumenti okukwatiraho ebyokucondooza omu bikwatiriine n'akakooko ka siriimu.
To continue supporting research and innovation as a pillar of our HIV response, ensuring that policies and interventions are guided by evidence and that our young researchers are nurtured to become the next generation of public health leaders.
The report, we should be able to share it with all of us because you've left behind your contacts, but we need to continue to translate and put our research into action. Some of it is already happening, but we need to continuously do that.
Minisita Babalanda nagira ngu ahabwo kugira ngu akakooko ka siriimu nikeyongyera omu minyeeto nibenda kutamani omu by'okwegyesa eminyeeto omu mashomero hamwe n'amatendekero.
The scientific meeting held during this symposium has been another highlight. It has showcased groundbreaking research and innovations by both senior and young Ugandan scientists, from advances in HIV prevention and treatment to insights into behavioral science and community systems strengthening.
Akole region is home to the East African revival, and actually it is worrying that this is where HIV prevalence is highest. We have been told, is it 50 or something? Something like that. It used to be Fort Portal, we have taken them over. They were number one, Fort Portal, I think last year. Now, Mbarara. And you heard, we've been told here that sex workers in Mbarara are, how many? 4,000? 4,000, and in Kampala they are 1,000. Is that statistic true? It's likely.
Around that time, many people thought about HIV as a ghost. They thought HIV and AIDS was something else that was not related to a disease. But we want to remember Fire Rutaya as the first Ugandan person of a class that gave HIV and AIDS a human face.
Habaho n'okutambura okwetooroora omu rurembo Rwampara obwebebembirwe ababaire bakwasira orumuri nk'akamanyiso k'etabaaza eguma neeyaka erikumanyisa amakuru g'okurwanisa akakooko ka siriimu n'okuha amatsiko abo abarikutuura nako. Emikoro y'ihanga ey'omwaka ogu neija kuba omu disitulikiti ya Bushenyi ahari kibanza ky'okwikumi n'ebiri 2025. Gashakwa Eli akiza.